So when you're thinking about getting your estate plan in order, there's some things that you want to have in place. It might be things as simple as a power of attorney, a medical healthcare directive, some type of incapacitation protection document so that if something were to happen to you, who is going to make those decisions? And then when we're looking at an estate plan, we're also looking at who is making decisions moving forward. So who is your personal representative? Like who is going to be acting in your stead? Often you're going to name several people so that you have some backups. And then we're looking at things like how is your property divided? Do you have a taxable estate? Is it taxable under Washington law? Is it taxable under the federal tax code? What do those things look like? Then you might have something called a trust. You might have put some property in a trust. And that is another thing that your estate plan might address. Your estate plan can also address if you have any charitable interests that you want to provide for. So there's a myriad of things that your estate plan can address. And so when you're discussing your estate plan with your attorney, you want to think through all these things. And then one area that I think a lot of us forget about is what is going to happen with our social media presence in post our death. How do we want to handle that? Do we want to set up our social media accounts so that somebody can get in there and maybe gather all those pictures you've taken and have access to those things? So making sure you're talking to your estate planning attorney about these details is so important, because anything you can do to provide clarity and simplicity to your family after your passing is one of the greatest things you can do and the legacy you can leave your family.